In Tamil Nadu, if you you'll get 5 6 innings, but you have to, when you're playing well, you need to cash in. We had a selection match. South Zone was New Zealand, where myself and Rahul both got hundreds at Vizag, Visakhapatnam, the selection match. The first 4 games, I got 2-1-0-4. Somebody would have
Oh,
thought it was hotel room number. Whenever we played Karnataka, it was like that. It was very tough opponent, and we had a lot of fights because one match I remember in Chinnaswamy Stadium where they had to take out all the public out and
mhm.
play with an empty stadium because the Kaveri problem was going on. They were throwing chairs at us, and Karnataka was on the losing side.
Mhm.
So it was tough. It was tough, and I still remember that game. It was a high intensity game, and
Mhm.
to beating Karnataka is not easy. So they're also a very tough opponent. So those days it was that incident I really can't because we had to call Vijesh Patel sir. He was then secretary, and he had to come to bring the police and remove
Mhm.
the public. They remove the chairs, and they asked the
Mhm.
public to go out, and we played in an empty stadium. I think. I can. That game was, we still can't forget that game. And
Mhm.
there also it's an incident where there was a fight between David Johnson and Emang also,
Oh,
which
really?
it happened, but it settled down also well. But the heat of the moment it happened, and also all settled well, and with no, the they all moved on now. So it is
Okay.
nothing personal, but it happened on the
Mhm.
movement. See, when you
Yeah.
play against teams with intensity,
Mhm.
it gets the best out of the players. Sometimes when you play a good Mumbai team, a Karnataka team with stars playing like Rahul, Srinath, Kumble, thing, by looking at them,
Mhm.
automatically your game also raises. You also want to show something in you. So in that time, you
Mhm.
also want your state team to do well against them.
That's
So
true.
when you're having that kind of a battle, naturally, sir, you will going to spread a little bit of emotions here and there.
Yeah.
So these are the things that happen
Yeah.
when I could
And
remember.
you've got so many hundreds. So, or which is the toughest inning you have played? Take us through the toughest innings you've played in your. It may not be 100. It could just be the toughest innings, but that you played in your career.
Ash, I think we brought a good question. See, I have got around 27 or 28 hundreds if I'm right or wrong. I don't know, somewhere around the 27, 28. But I can tell you it is not an 100. The innings against Bombay
Uh,
in 96 at Tirunelveli, where I got 92 and 88.
on the
You know,
turner.
yeah, first innings 92, second innings 88. Uh, Probably one of the best innings in Ranji Trophy I played. And it is also probably one of my crucial 20 runs I missed in my career. Probably if I had got 100 in each innings, I would have played
For India.
a level higher, I guess, because the competition was very high. Due respect for all the cricketers I have played, they were also phenomenal players. But maybe if I'd have got that 20 runs extra, that is 8 and 12, I got
Hmm.
92 in the first, 88 in the second. That 20 runs also costed a lot, I can tell you that.
Yeah. And who were the bowlers in Bombay?
Bombay had Nilesh Kulkarni, Sairaj Bagutule, uh, Chotu, what's that fellow?
Ramesh Pawar.
Not Ramesh was not there. Ramesh came in 2000. 90, no, not Ramesh was not there. They had another guy, Abhay Kurvila. Abhay Kurvila played. Paras Mambre played, and there was one more left arm spinner was there.
Okay.
I think it was Rajesh Pawar. I think. if I'm
Achha,
right.
Rajesh Pawar. Maybe,
Rajesh,
maybe.
maybe Rajesh Pawar.
It had almost India lineup. I mean,
They
all
had a
these guys have played
they
somewhere or
had
the other
a
for India. Yeah.
they had a superb team. They had Zubin Barucha, Sunil More. They had Vinod Kambli, Sairaj Bautule, Amul Mazumdar, Sulakshan Kulkarni, Nilesh, Nilesh was there.
Hmm.
Abhay Kurvila was there. Paras Mambre, and even the reserves were too good. Sorry, I could have missed one or two names here and there, but they had a very good team. The other innings I could think of was the Dulip Trophy innings, where South Zone was a North Zone. We were playing at Faridabad, where this is an exciting story. I have to tell you this, Ash.
But which year is this?
It was in 97, 98, I think, if I'm right. We were playing a Dulip Trophy game at Faridabad against North Zone. It was a star-studded team. We lost the lead in the first inning, and we had to chase around 375 on the last day.
Oh,
On the fourth day evening, before close of play, we were 36 for 3. So
oh
our
gosh.
manager booked our tickets, return tickets to Chennai, Bangalore, respective places for all South Zone team to. He never thought that we
Hmm.
could win. He thought it was no chance because of chasing 360. And I'll tell you that myself and Ramesh got around 290 runs partnership, and we won the game at tea time on fifth day. We were 365 for 4 or 5.
Wow.
Robin finished off with
Hmm.
50,
Hmm.
and myself and Ramesh got 140, 140. So we won
Oh
the
my
game.
God.
So
Wow.
we have to, our manager had to rebook the tickets to Mohali for finals against Centrals. Against
So,
Centrals.
so who bore the loss? Cancellation loss.
That was a good question.
It's
In those days, I think players have to pay
bear
out of
it.
the pocket more
Yeah,
than because those days the financial crunch was also there. In the
I
sense,
know.
the managers you never used to carry that amount of money and all these things. But somehow
Hmm.
we managed. I think Haryana Association helped us or something. We went to Mohali
Hmm.
by train or bus. I hardly remember that for the finals.
Okay. Now, non-cricketing stories. You've traveled so much with people, all your teammates, different teams for so many years, and in the dressing room, outside, when you're not playing, there must be some interesting anecdotes you have non-cricketing.
A lot of fun actually. To be honest
Yeah.
with you, our dressing room on Tamil Nadu team itself was fun. You
Okay.
know, you know, we used to always crack jokes and
Mhm.
take a time off. To release the pressure.
Yeah, yeah,
In those days, you can't be just thinking about the game full time. You need to have some
that's true.
characters. So we
Right.
used to make some jokes. Ramesh was too good in that. Sadagopan Ramesh was a classic guy. He used to think out of the box and create some jokes and make fun of people and on the field. We had the thing is that we used to if you somebody used to fail against Goa, Kerala in those days. I'm telling you, nowadays they are a
Hmm.
very good team.
Yeah.
In those days, Goa, Kerala, Andhra,
Hmm.
and all were not that competitive. With
Mhm.
due respect to them, now they are a very good teams now. But now, those days, cricket was the match used to get on 2 days, 2.5 days. But
Hmm.
guys used to get out, so Ramesh used to make fun of them.
Uh-huh.
In a sense, there is a word in Tamil called "Eda, nee poi thetikliya." That means you didn't get runs against this team, getting 150, 160. What you got out? Used to make fun of everybody in the dressing
So
room.
Ramesh himself never got out, is it, against them?
No, he got out, but we used to have fun. Those people were
Okay.
failing
Okay.
against Goa, but Kerala and all. used to make fun. Arey, he's gone and failed. That was good things we had. And also off-field in trains and all when you travel. It was good fun, traveling with Chika sir. I know he was a non-stop, give entertainment. I know he was a fun. He was a great man, lovely guy. To be there with team with great respect for him as a cricketer, but also he was a very fun-loving person off the field. In trains, a lot of jokes, funs. Good time we had literally in those days. Because a lot of traveling was done in train.
Yeah.
After the 2000 only all flights and all started. The first half of our career was when it was Dulip Trophy or Ranji Trophy. The train traveling was more. So we used to connect with everybody so much, and that was very good to to staying together as
a team.
Yeah, that was very
What about pranks? Anybody played pranks on somebody else? All tricks on people, pranks on people,
There are a lot of guys, you look at the Dulip Trophy team, there was Javagal Srinath, who always used to fun of Venkatpati Raju. The bus was full of energy.
So
we had a star-studded team. Azharuddin, Rahul Dravid, VVS Lakshman, Venkatpati Raju, Srinath, Venkatesh Prasad, the bus itself was, with so much of stars. But Srinath was, what a beautiful guy to have, He was a totally different person on the ground, but totally opposite, of the ground. So he used to make fun of everybody, He used to never be bothered. It was whether it was Kumble or Raju or Azhar, for him, he was
they're all the same.
Different world. He was a different world making pranks and, at those days in 91, I think that movie was very famous. Bazigar. Yeah, Bazigar, 93. We were in Rajkot, playing Dulip Trophy games in Rajkot. It was South was a West Zone match. After the match, we went to the movie theater and we watched Bazigar. And, Srinath used to behave like Shah Rukh in the bus. That song was very famous. Bazigar, oh, Bazigar.
Yes.
That song was very famous. And he used to make fun of Venkatpati Raju and used to call him Sher. Sher aa gaya.
Because of his size.
Because of the size. And Venkatpati also was a tremendous guy too. Superb. It was a very good, it was more like a family, it was, even though, they were stars those days, but they were so normal and, they were very, down to earth personalities and, they're because of their excellent upbringing, they were phenomenal guys and, the entire team it was a great honor to be there in the team. Actually, South Zone team, West Zone team and North Zone team, to get into the team was like, playing like India, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
Ash, those days it was very tough. I think Jatin would have told you the same thing.
Yeah, he did, yeah.
Poor fellow, he also got, some very, very good knocks. But, sometimes when the composition of the team, when you, look at the players, sometimes you don't feel, whether you are, when you get miss out also, you feel a bit.
This Mithun also told me, Mithun Manas, he told me that, like Sachin, Dravid, Lakshman, Ganguly had blocked his place in the Indian team. He was also blocking somebody's place who was coming from First Division League or A Division League trying to get into the Ranji Trophy side. He says, we also had our team. We also were blocking somebody's place. Somebody was blocking our place. He says, that's how cricket went. But Jatin told me that West Zone, even if you get runs, 4 or 5, it was a technically quota system. No, 4 or 5 players would make it in any case. And those 4 or 5 were Sachin, Kamble, those guys would get in. So it's very hard to break past them and get in.
It was very tough. I'm telling you that. See, when we played that match in Rajkot, I still remember Ravi Shastri and Surendra Bave opened. One
Okay.
down was Vinod Kambli. Two down was Tendulkar. Three down was Sanjay Manjrekar. Four down was Santosh Jede. Five down was Kiran More. Six down was Abhay Kurvila. Seven down was Rashid Patel. Eight down was Sanjay Patel. Nine down was he was also top class cricketer from Mumbai, Salil Ankola.
Yeah.
Where you can
No Amol Mazumdar.
no, he was not even poor fellow. He got a double hundred in that time, 270, but he couldn't get into the team. Same case with Jatin and a lot of players. You can keep on. The list can just like that. I can say Amol, Jatin, Mukund Parmar. So a super player from Gujarat, Mukund Parmar. So a lot of guys missed out. And sometimes you feel Shantanu Sugwekar, Srikanth Kalyani,
Surendra Bave.
Surendra Bave, Srikanth Kalyani. I'm talking in the 11. The people who are not playing also were as good as anybody. See,
That's
sometimes you have to sometimes also understand that the competition and hats off to these cricketers like Dravid, Sachin, Tendulkar, Ganguly, Lakshman, because to play international cricket to consecutively 100 test matches, look at the standard they have set, so that for domestic cricketers like me or others to perform, to do that also.
at that level, yeah.
So they also have to be I keep them in very high esteem and great respect for them, because they also lifted the domestic standard.
Yeah.
That in case anything could have happened to them, nothing happened to them. Touch wood. They are all very they all played together. Some replacement they would have got it just like that.
Yeah.
Because people were ready also, but not got opportunities. Like there was not much A-team tours or other tours. Definitely, I would not say they would have replaced them, because nobody could replace these four. But if there was some injury or something, they could have fitted in that role. That's what I'm saying. They could have fitted. At the
Into
most,
that
they would
role.
have got fitted. But
Yeah.
the replacement was tough. Azhar also played 99 test matches, so you forgot that name also. So 5-6 guys were there who really played, and the way they also played. Oh, when they came back to Ranji Trophy, you should see how Sachin played, Rahul played, Lakshman played. Oh, I'm telling you, Ash, it was it was treat to watch, and so many things to learn. See, the adjustment they made from international cricket to domestic cricket, from domestic cricket to international cricket, was of top notch. Top notch. So, see, that is what is important, to how they adjust and, move along for so long. And they could do it when you call Rahul for a club team. I and Rahul play for the same club team. He manages excellently well for the club. Again, he go back to Karnataka. He plays, same way. When he goes back to India, he does the same way. So, you look at the frequency there, going up and down, how they balanced it, without failing.
Yeah.
Hats off to them. There is no words to describe Ash, because, we were sitting in a very hot seat to watch these players, even though you can say they are competitors and all these things. But I'm telling you, they were in a different planet altogether, in the sense from mental aspect of it. Mental aspect is a big thing in cricket. So everything cannot be attached to technical, but their mental aspect, their decision making, their tactical knowledge was simply exemplary. So that is why I think Mithun and Jatin would have felt, and they have told
I
that,
know.
they
That's
have
so.
told you that.
Yeah. So you've played so many bowlers, right? if you have to pick one bowler who troubled you, or who you had a competition with, and clash with, not a fight, but just a clash with, that he used to be a challenge playing that bowler through your career, who would that be?
There were quite a few bowlers, Ash, to be honest with you, but two fast bowlers I feel who were superb bowlers were Ashish Vincent Zaidi,
Yeah.
AW Zaidi from UP,
Yes.
and Venkatesh Prasad.
Really?
He was an outstanding bowler for left-handers, especially.
Uh-huh.
He was an outstanding bowler. Venki, and nothing to take away from Srinath. He was an exceptional bowler too. But you asked me who in my thing, in my opinion, fast bowling, Zaidi, because was good, and Venkatesh Prasad was a very tough competitor to play with. Both of them were very tough competitors.
So
Now,
can you cite an example of, for instance, some spell
no,
they bowled to you?
I got runs against both of them, but I never got an inch. In the sense, I have to create. You understand what I mean. But
Yeah, I do. If to make runs, they didn't give anything free.
Yes, no freebies.
Hmm.
And both had the knack of bowling very well in old ball.
Mm-hmm.
Exceptional bowlers in old ball. Zaidi was had variations in bounces, slower ones, a lot in a 4-day game.
Mm-hmm.
He had a lot of variations. Venki was accurate, immaculately accurate. He used to bowl, and for left-handers, that you have a blind spot. He used to hit that areas frequently.
Okay.
He used to bowl in areas where you couldn't go either front or back. He was a phenomenal bowler. With due respect for all the other good bowlers, but you ask me, these two were very good fast bowlers in my thing.
Okay.
Spinners, I rate Kanwaljit Singh. A very good bowler, off spinner, Kanwaljit Singh. You had Kumble. Kumble was tougher, and then you had Avinash Kumar from Bihar.
Okay.
Who also got around 300 wickets, first class wickets. Good left arm spinner. Beautiful left arm spinner, Avinash Kumar, who got 6 or 7 wickets in the England David Goss team. Those days, he was a very good left arm spinner.
Early 90s.
He was good. Sai Raj was a good competitor. Sai, you can some of them were from my own state. Lucky I was in the same team.
Like which ones?
Like Sunil Subramaniam was a very good left arm spinner. Ashish Kapoor was good. Venkat Ramana was good. They were good. Ram Prakash was good. They were different, and they were all good. Suresh Kumar of Kerala was good. Suresh Kumar was good. Maninder Singh, no need to say. It was good. L. Sivaramakrishnan was good. There was a very good off spinner from Karnataka, Anant. Anant, his name was. He was very good. So the list goes on and on. If you look at South Zone, Ananta Padmanabhan was good.
Yes,
so,
Kerala.
Sai was there. Nilesh Kulkarni was there. So every state team, Narendra Irvani was outstanding. Narendra Irvani was a top class leg spinner. Outstanding. Simply Kumble was there. He couldn't play for long. He was an exceptional leg spinner, I'm telling you.
Okay.
You ask anybody who have played in that era, they will rate Irvani very highly.
I know Mithun has rated him. Not only Mithun, even Jatin has rated him.
Yes.
Both of them have rated. But tell me one thing. you have played Kumble, right? So what was the experience of playing Kumble like? He's not a normal spinner, right? He doesn't flight the ball much. It's not that. But how did you cope with Kumble?
Kumble, Kumble at initial stage, I had to play him as an
Medium pacer.
off spinner. You know, the
Oh,
more than ball going away from me. I never used to
as a
play for.
lefty. Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, I never used to play for the ball coming in
Hmm.
because his stock ball was that, but very rarely used to bowl. But he was more disciplined bowler of bowling to you the ball going away for left-hander.
Hmm.
Because of his height, he used to generate a lot of bounce.
Yeah.
So, and I used to play him as an off spinner. So, to get that bounce.
Mhm.
So, and play for the odd ball coming in. Otherwise, I used to play more as more as an off spinner because he used to
Okay.
get the ball away from me.
Hmm.
So he was a bit a freakish leg spinner because he used to bowl at a different speed where you can't. Most of the players who play spin well play back foot, but
Hmm.
when you play Anil, you have to be very careful. You can no way go back foot unless
Hmm.
it's really short.
Yeah. So you have
Really
to play off the
short.
front foot.
If
Yeah.
really short means very very short.
Mhm.
Otherwise, the ball used to skid for him. So it's always better you play him on the front,
Okay.
which I thought which I thought that's the best way of playing Anil.
But
But
doesn't that bring back pad into play?
yes,
You play too much in front.
it brought. But I thought the way WV played him, W. Raman, I rate him one of the best batsmen in Tamil Nadu and as well as for India. I feel W played very well.
How did he play him? What would he
Uh,
do?
he has the reach, no? He used
Mhm.
to play with the reach and, playing him, with soft hands, playing him playing him in the V, that is playing him straight. You can't afford to play Anil behind the wicket because he doesn't
Mhm.
give him that much room, no? He doesn't give
Mhm.
you to cut or pull.
Yeah.
So you have to play him straight down the line. That is to play him to mid off, mid on, or extra covers or mid wicket.
Mhm.
So that to watch WB do that. So that helped us to you
Okay.
know
Cope
and
with him.
Cope. The WB used to do that. Robin used to do that. So these two, when I was playing, these two I used to watch them bat when they play. Both
Okay.
were exceptionally good players. One was
Mhm.
gritty, one was talent.
Mhm.
So it was nice when I came
Mhm.
in the Ranji Trophy team. These two guys were when there were top class spinners. So real good spinners who could spin the ball. And it's very important. To watch the release. So
Mhm.
so when you look at Robin or Raman or some good players how they play spin, it's
Mhm.
always very important to pick them from the release. So I think which Raman and Robin did very well in my early days of my career. I saw them a lot.
Okay. Mhm.